Well, hey guys, let me share with you a little tip or trick to keep your RTV from drying up in the tip. That way you can use it over and over again without, having to stick a drill bit in it. All right, guys, figured I'd share a little tip or trick to keep your RTV sealer nice and, still usable. So in other words, so it doesn't dry out on the end, right? Because a lot of times, as you guys know, these caps will crack, they won't seal up good, and the sealer will, or the RTV will harden on the end. Well, I put this in last night to cover it up. I just took a Ziploc bag, cut a chunk of it out, covered it up to keep the air from getting to it. And as you can see, it is still nice and wet, so it has not dried out. So just a little tip or trick to keep your RTV alive, and so you can use it over and over again without having to cut into the side of it, take a drill bit, stick it in there, get it out, whatever you got to do to make it usable. So, little tip. So there you go, guys. A simple trick to keep, expensive RTV from drying up. This is the 90-minute stuff, right? This is like the $12 tube, $12 tube stuff. Granted, the gray and the black is about $6, a tube, but still, when you need it, you need it. So here's a simple trick, like I said. Hopefully it helps you out to keep your RTV more usable, so you're not, like I said, trying to stick a screwdriver in there, a drill bit, to drill it out, cut the side of it to squeeze the last little bit out, whatever. Anyway, hope that helps.